Today I'm going to share with you what is, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to make money online working from home. Now, this is available worldwide. It's absolutely free to get started with. Now, you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, and this isn't any of the usual stuff that you've probably seen on other channels. So in this video, I'm going to show you the website, I'm going to show you my earnings on there, and I'll show you how you can do exactly the same. So let's jump into this. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, like I mentioned a minute ago, this is incredibly simple to do. It really is. Now, very quickly, before I jump into this, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. If you like really simple, really easy ways to make money online, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then I'll send you an update whenever I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money, click the link down below. It'll take you over to my blog. I've got a members area. There's PDFs, there's ebooks, there's courses. It's all absolutely free. So go ahead and check that out. So the website I'm going to share with you today is this one here. And it's called Microworkerscom. And for some reason, they're still in the Christmas spirit because they've got the little Christmas hat on here. So this is a website, and as you can see, this is available worldwide. So how does this work? So basically, you are completing what are known as micro tasks. Now, when I say micro task, I mean really small little tasks, and you earn money for doing tasks. Now, to join this, all you do is you would come over here and you'd click on register. Usual thing, just sign up, and then you take like a small little test. They ask you a couple of questions, you answer them, and then you get access to the platform. So I shared Microworkers probably about 3 months, maybe longer, about 4 months ago on the channel. Now, on here, you can see this is my account. This is my earnings in the account. So I've currently got $1.59 on account. Now, let's just cover off what is the minimum withdrawal on this site. So the minimum withdrawal on this site is not this one. It is not this one. This is this one here. So I've come down here, and this is the frequently asked questions page. I'll drop a link below to this for you, but I've come down here. Where is it? I know it's $9. It's here. So how and when do I get paid? You need to earn at least $9. Now, how do they pay you? They pay via PayPal, Skrill, bank transfer. There's many more different ways you can get paid. I'll drop a link over to this below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. So what are the sort of tasks that you're going to be doing to earning money? Well, like I said at the beginning, this is incredibly simple. So once you've got your account and you're logged in, you can see here at this moment in time, available jobs for me in the UK. There's currently 314 jobs available for me. There's 28 P&L jobs. We'll cover that in a second. And then there's this here where it says long-term jobs. Don't click on this, because what this will show you is actual full-time and part-time jobs available in your area. So do not click on that unless you want to go ahead and find a part-time job. So when you come in here, I've simply clicked on jobs. Now scroll down here, you can see here, you can filter this up here. You can go highest paying, latest, best rating, time to rate. Now you can see you've got all jobs, but you can go ahead and you can filter this via these different categories on here. But before I do that, let's just scroll down here and I'll show you some examples of this. So what here on the left hand side, it gives you a description of the job. So for arguments, this one here, YouTube comment plus a screenshot. How much will you be paid? You'll be paid 30 cents. Go through here, don't worry about this much here, but you can see here, this is a column you want to focus on, this done section. So this YouTube comment plus screenshot here, you can see currently 42 people out of 50 people have completed this job. So there's 50 slots available for this. Currently 42 people have already taken up and got paid for doing this. There's 8 slots left available. But you can see on here, that is really simple. That is a YouTube comment and a screenshot. There's another one here. Go and visit our website, take a screenshot, 18 cents. Come down here further. You've got lots of that really basic stuff. If you can't make money doing this, then unfortunately you're not going to make any money online. This is the easiest way to make money online. So let me go ahead and show you some of the jobs that I completed in the past. So I'm going to simply click on tasks I finished. So I'm going to go in here and I'll show you a couple of the different tasks that I did, and I'll show you exactly how much I earned for doing so. But all of these micro tasks, they don't even take a minute, half of these. I'll show you in a second now, but one of the ones that I had to go ahead and do in the past, it was go over to Instagram, follow someone's Instagram page, like their photo, and send a screenshot. And that was it. And then there's other things on here. You can go over to a Facebook page, like somebody's Facebook page. So let me go on here, tasks I have finished. basic tasks. I'm going to click on here and I'll show you these basic tasks. You can get paid for liking a YouTube video. You can even get paid. I've seen it on here before where randomly, if you opened up a Gmail account, then you got paid. There's also things on here like going over to this Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, lots and lots of different platforms. So you can see on here, this here, I've submitted 6 tasks, and these were all when we covered this website before. But you can see on here, this one here, I earned 30 cents. What did I have to do? I had to go over to YouTube, comment on a video, I earned 30 cents. It literally took me 20 seconds. Next one here, I went on Instagram, followed an account, commented and liked. Again, I earned 50 cents. And then here's one here, go on the internet, search for a website, visit the page, send a screenshot. And again, 18 cents. And then look, you can see the other ones down here, 46 cents. This one here was go over to someone's Facebook page, like the Facebook page, and I had 46 cents for doing so. It's so simple. So if we go back over here, we're going to go on jobs. Click on here, we'll go on jobs and I'll show you an example of this and how you can simply go into these jobs and the process of what you need to do, what you don't need to do, and how you go ahead and get paid for doing so. So like I say, on here you've got all of these different categories here, so you can just literally leave on all jobs. You can filter it by a most paying, latest, whatever. But if you wanted to go ahead and look at just Facebook micro jobs that you can do, you simply click on there, it will then refilter and it will show you all of the Facebook micro tasks that you can do straight away and go ahead and earn some money for doing so. So you can see on here, at this moment in time for me, there's currently 11 jobs available. So scroll down here, this is the first one. This is a Facebook like, and it says here, payment is 45 cents. So I'm going to click on there and it opens up a new tab. So this here is the new tab. This is what is expected from the worker. So you must have at least 50 Facebook friends. Luckily enough, I do. Go over here, so you copy and paste this. Go over to the Facebook page. Do not message the Facebook page for a like back. So you go over to the Facebook page and you like the Facebook page. And then it says required proof that the task was finished. So the number of likes after your likes. So I'll tell you what, let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and do this now. So I'm going to go to this page here. I'm going to come back here. So you scroll down to the bottom. I accept this job. A form will open below. So I'm going to go on there and click on open. Success rate, have you finished the job? So let's go over to the job. Let's go to the Facebook page. So facebook.com/rapid car check. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go on here, I'm going to like the page, and then I'm going to comment back over on Rapid Workers with how many likes are on the page after I've liked it myself. And then I'm just going to click on submit, and that is it, done. It literally takes seconds. Now it will even be quicker for you. At this moment in time I'm recording my screen, so as you can see this is taking a little bit longer to open up than it normally would do, but for you it's going to be a lot quicker. So once this opens up, I'm going to like this page, come back over here and put in here. So I'm just going to go and type this in. Hello, job completed, number of likes are. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Go back over to here. Oh, why is this loading still? So I apologise. I don't know why this is taking so long to go ahead and load. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and click on the like page. So 87 people currently like this page. I'm going to go ahead and click on like. So that is that done. 87. Now it will be 88. Number of likes are 88. Scroll down here. I confirm I've completed the task. Done. And that is it. That is as simple as it is to go ahead and get paid to literally, like as you've seen, like a Facebook page. Go and then you can do this on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all of these different platforms. It's absolutely simple. It's really easy, and you can see that's it done. So that is that one done. So then all I would do now is, if I was going to continue with this, I would just go through every single one on here and just go and complete them. Now, not every single one is as simple as going and liking a Facebook page. The more and I say complicated, there are some on there which are classed as being complicated, but basically all you're doing on that one is you would go on the YouTube search engines, you would have to go and find a website, you then go into the website and you take a screenshot, and that is it. So that is today's video. As you've seen, it's really simple, it's really easy, and anybody can go ahead and do this. So thank you for watching today's video. If you've got any questions, leave them below. And as always, let's go ahead and pick a winner from yesterday's video. Really simple. Every single day I go ahead and give away one of my online courses. So if you want a chance to win one, like the video or dislike it if you disliked it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and then leave a comment below. And then we'll go ahead and pick a winner. So let's go over to a random generator now and get a winner. So this was yesterday's video, so I'm just going to grab the link from here and go over to our YouTube generator. So you can see on here we've got 27 unique comments. Let's scroll down here and click pick a winner. So good luck to everyone. And the winner is Goals Galore TV. Congratulations to you. Very simply, go over to my Facebook page, drop me a message, and then I'll send you a link back, and you can go ahead and pick whichever course of mine you want, whether that is the Make Money Online, whether that is the Steam It course, the Cora course, or the website traffic course. So congratulations, thanks for watching everyone, and I shall see you tomorrow.